Another key aspect of GD&T is to make sure that the features on a part are dimensioned to reflect how the part is actually used in its final installation. The designer should not give consideration as to how the part will be manufactured, whether it is forged, stamped, machined, or molded. Each of these processes will have varying capabilities that will result in different types of variation. The designer should consider only the variation permissible in the part's operation and let the manufacturer understand that any method of manufacture will produce a working part, as long as the variation limits are not exceeded. By providing all of the functional variation allowed in the part, the designer has given the maximum available tolerance to the manufacturer. Consider the following part. The designer may be tempted to simply dimension all of the holes from the edge of the plate to make things easier for the machinist to set up and drill. But dimensioning from the edge does not reflect the true function of the part. In this case, the edges of the part have no relation to the function of the part at all. By dimensioning to the edge, the designer has put unnecessary requirements on the machinist, which could actually make the part more expensive. The correct way to dimension this part using GD&T is to define the theoretically exact positions of each hole and pattern, then add allowable tolerances to the hole features in relation to each other.